Okay, very quick video. If you've got MSI GT80S gaming laptop, looks a bit like this, absolute monster of a machine. This is the 6QE-039 UK version. What happens is the touchpad numlock doesn't work, so you don't get the numbers appearing because you've got the main keyboard and then you've got the numlock pad, which is also the touchpad as well. The way you fix this is quite simple. It's a driver thing. You go to the Synaptics touchpad drivers and you make sure that tapping is enabled, and you make sure that you've got tap zones enabled there. And you get to the settings by right clicking on the icon in the bottom right hand of the screen. So you get the touchpad settings, you enable tapping, and you make sure tap zones are enabled, and then when you do that, when you tap, you get your numeric keypad back. Also note that this only works once the drivers have loaded, so when the machine is booting up, tapping the numlock thing won't do much until the actual drivers have loaded. And that's basically it for that. That's that fix. So it's not a hardware issue. It's for some reason the tapping has become disabled, so you just re-enable it, enable tap zones, and away you go. Okay, that's all it is. Thanks for watching.